Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks for making the most out of your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to save a snap to memories and your camera roll. By following these simple steps, you can preserve your favorite moments and have them readily accessible. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. You can find the Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Once Snapchat is open, tap on the account icon, located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings. Step 4. In the settings menu, locate and tap on Memories. This option allows you to manage your saved snaps. Step 5. Within the Memories menu, tap on the Save button. This will enable the saving feature for your snaps. Step 6. Now, when you take a snap, you can choose to save it to Memories and your camera roll. Simply select Memories and Camera Roll when prompted. By following these simple steps, you can easily save your snaps to Memories and your camera roll, ensuring that your favorite moments are preserved and accessible whenever you want to revisit them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.